Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. Another view from the top of a multi-storey car park overlooking Padua railway station. We can see one of the Translord trams, rubber tired trams going down the ramp. Let's see what trains there are. Here's the traffic. It's getting darker. There's a goods train waiting to at the signal. This would have been a great view 20-30 years ago. But I never thought to come up here years ago. Let's see what we're going to see. No trains passing. Camper with some dodgy belts. Oh, the goods train's moving. This area, of course, was bombed heavily during the Second World War. And whenever they do roadworks here, there's always some unexploded ordnance that shows up. And in fact, further over towards the city centre, they actually bombed the church of the Remitani, destroying a beautiful cycle of frescoes by Mantegna. And luckily they missed the chapel of the Scrovegni with Giotto's frescoes. Padua's railway station was rebuilt post-war on a pre-war rationalist style architecture, because anyway the plan was to replace the station building because it was too small. It had been partially damaged by bombing, so we'll actually do some videos on the front on another occasion. Okay, cheerio, and see you next time. Nothing interesting is coming along here. And I'm getting cold. Ciao, ciao.